This is Bob the Coach. And today we're not just talking about fitness, we're talking about something much deeper, your heart health. Yes, your very survival. This isn't a drill. Heart disease is still the world's #1 killer, and it doesn't show up with a loud warning. It's silent, it creeps, and then it strikes. But what if I told you that with just a few minutes of effort each day, you could slash your risk? What if there were simple exercises, 10 of them, that could help you avoid becoming another statistic? Don't believe it? Let me tell you a real story of someone you know. Someone you've grown to admire, Elysia Astra. Behind her confidence, her charm, her glowing skin, was a woman slowly slipping into a dangerous health zone. Yes, even someone like Elysia, who looked the part of health, found herself battling shortness of breath, random fatigue, and finally, a terrifying blood pressure spike at 34. Her doctor looked at her with concern. "You're young, but your lifestyle is aging your heart fast." That shook her to her core. She reached out to me, Bob the Coach, not for vanity, not for aesthetics, but to survive, to take back control, and together we went to work with just body weight, commitment, and 30-60 minutes a day. I gave her 10 scientifically backed exercises, and we changed her life. You're about to learn what those are and how to use them to bulletproof your own heart. First, we started with jump rope. Don't underestimate it. It's not just a playground activity, it's one of the most intense cardio tools available. 10 minutes of jump rope equals 30 minutes of jogging. Yes, it's that powerful. Elysia began with just 1 minute a day. At first, she tripped, she laughed, she sweated, but after 10 days, she began to soar. Her breathing became easier, her coordination sharper, and her energy through the roof. Then came high knees, a simple jog in place, but lifting your knees to hip height. It sounds easy, until your heart starts pounding with intensity. This move isn't just a calorie burner, it builds endurance and trains your lungs. Elysia would do them every morning before her first sip of coffee. It became a ritual, a declaration that her health mattered. Next, the childhood favorite, jumping jacks. Don't roll your eyes. This classic move boosts circulation and wakes up your entire body. It's perfect for beginners and still challenging for pros when done in long sets. Elysia added them to her daily flow, 3 rounds of 30 seconds. Fast, light, focused. That's all it took to raise her heart rate and ignite her metabolism. But we needed strength. 2, not just cardio, enter split squat jumps. Alternating lunges with a jump in the center. This move is fire, literally. Your legs burn, your heart pumps like crazy, and your balance improves drastically. Elysia did them facing her mirror, reminding herself with each rep, "I'm stronger than this pain." And then came the king of heart training, burpees. Yes, the move everyone loves. To hate, it's a full-body grind that combines push-up, jump, and cardio. Elysia groaned the first time she tried, but she kept going. Burpees changed her from the inside out. Her resting heart rate dropped. Her recovery improved. She became a machine. Balance is key, so we added plank rows, a core-blasting move that targets abs, arms, and shoulders while keeping your heart rate up. She loved how it made her feel solid, grounded, capable. She started holding planks for 20 seconds. Within 3 weeks, she could go over a minute with full row motion. Insane progress. Then came push-ups, the most underrated weapon in your fitness arsenal. People think push-ups are just for arms, but they do so much more. They build upper body strength, improve circulation, and support posture. Elysia started with knee push-ups. Week by week, she leveled up. Today, she does standard push-ups like a warrior. Russian twists were next, a core rotation move that also builds obliques and improves spinal mobility. That means better coordination and posture, 2 things directly linked to heart health. Every rep made her stronger. Her waist got tighter, but more importantly, her heart was working better now. We added the advanced version T push-ups. These engage your chest, triceps, core, and back, all while challenging your balance. It's a push-up with a side twist that builds coordination and total body strength. Elysia said, "These make me feel like an athlete," and that mindset alone was a game changer. Last but not least, crunches. Simple, reliable, core-strengthening crunches. They don't spike your heart rate much, but they stabilize your trunk, reduce lower back strain, and allow other movements to become safer and more effective. Elysia used them as cool downs, a way to end her workouts with control and focus. So there you have it, 10 exercises that saved Elysia's heart, and could save yours too. But wait, let's not stop at names. Here's how you can do them too, starting today. Your weekly plan. Monday, jump rope, high knees, plank rows. Tuesday, split squat jumps, push-ups, Russian twists. Wednesday, jumping jacks, burpees, crunches. Thursday, rest, deep stretch, light yoga. Friday, T push-ups, high knees, burpees. Saturday, your favorite 5 and 30-second rounds. Sunday, go for a long walk, breathe, reflect. That's it. No gym, no excuses. Just 30-60 minutes. Break it into 10-minute chunks if needed. What matters is consistency. Science shows that people who do these kinds of movements daily reduce their risk of heart disease by up to 50%. That's not a number. That's a second chance at life. But the clock is ticking every day you delay. Your heart gets older, stiffer, and weaker. Elysia's story is proof. She went from borderline hypertension to glowing blood markers, stable resting heart rate, and a new level of confidence that changed how she walked into every room, and all it took. 10 exercises, 1 daily decision, and a refusal to give up. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin right now, not tomorrow, not when things calm down, because the truth is, your heart won't wait. Your body won't pause for your convenience and life. It's happening now. I want you to pick just one of these 10 exercises. Try it for 60 seconds today. That's it, just 60 seconds. Then tell me in the comments what you felt. Commit, own it, and let's build from there. This is your moment, the version of you that's full of energy, living without medications, climbing stairs without puffing, laughing with ease. They're not a dream, they're a choice. Let that choice start here. Let it start now. This is Bob the Coach. And I'm rooting for you, always. Elysia Astra believed she could beat the odds, and she did. Now it's your turn. If this message hit your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your parents, your siblings, your best friend, that colleague who always says they're too busy to work out. We can't afford to stay silent anymore. Let's break the cycle. Let's get moving. Let's make heart disease a story of the past. Subscribe for more. Follow at @onlinekobach on Instagram. DM me heart for your free personal heart health guide. And never ever forget your heart is listening every single day. So, what will you say to it today?